Hey everyone, it's Hudson. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the basics of Scratch coding. Today, we'll go over the different tools Scratch offers. For example, we'll show you all the different uses of their codes. Type in Scratch coding and log in. Use your Google login for this. Alright, pause the video and log in now. Now that you're logged in, click the Create button. Look at this! You're in your first ever Scratch coding page. This must seem pretty intimidating. Well, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know Scratch like the back of your hand. So, as you can see on the top, there are 10 boxes telling you different codes you can do. Today, we're going over the most important: motions, events, and controls. These are the most important codes, I think. Now, you can pause the video and explore. Okay, now let's start with what powers Scratch. On the top bar, you can click the orange Event tab. These options control your orange cap on the screen and power it. We will go over the most important event tabs. These controls are when flag clicked, when space key pressed, and when this sprite clicked. You may be clicking these and nothing is happening. That's because the characters need a motion to work. That's what we'll learn next. Now, let's go over what when flag clicked does. When flag click button makes your character do an action. This is the most important because it sets up your entire code. This will be the code you use for every code you'll do in Scratch. Let's show an example. Lucia will pick the Move 10 Steps motion, we'll learn this next, and add it to the when flag is clicked. Now whenever she clicks the flag, it moves! That's so cool! Now let's go over when spacebar is clicked. The when spacebar is clicked code does the exact same thing as the flag code, but instead you use the spacebar. Let's see! You can't see, but Lucia is pressing the spacebar, and it's making her character move. Awesome! And now when this sprite clicked button, it does the exact same thing as the previous two, but now with your sprite. I think you're going to get the hang of this quick. Now, let's go through the motions. This is the blue tab across from the events. Let's talk about what the Move tab does. This tab is under Motions and is the first option. Another option we'll go under is the Motion tabs are the Turn tabs. In the Move option, you can control how many steps the character on the screen moves. You can do 10 steps or 1,000 if you like. Let's see how that works. Whoa! The cat disappeared! Let's watch that again. Super cool. Now, let's go through the turns. The turn left and turn right. Now let's see. Cool. Now let's try it again. You can even change the degrees on this one. Let's change it to 90 degrees. Now let's see. Awesome! Way bigger turns. Let's move on. Now, we'll talk about the Go to Mouse Pointer tab. This makes your character move to the mouse pointer when a certain button is pressed. Let's see. Look it! Your cat's teleporting. That's really cool. Now, let's go through the control tabs. The control parts help the events and motions. Let's go to the control. First, let's go over the Forever control. The Forever control can help you do a motion and have it repeat and never stop, such as moving 10 steps. Let's see. That's so cool. It goes on forever. Now, let's try it with the Repeat control. The Repeat control makes your character do this a repeating amount of time. So say 10 steps 10 times. Let's see it go. Awesome! That was 10 steps 10 times. Let's move on. Now look at this. You've learned how to use the basics of Scratch. Now, let's make it so you can get rid of that annoying cat. First, go to the Costumes tab. Now, click the cat. Now that you're on the cat, there are 3 tabs above it. First, click the Clear button. Then, click the Add button. Wow! Look at all those options! Now you can make your story however you want. Lucia, you can pick one so we can make our own story. Airplane too, good choice. Now, Lucia will make a code to teach you what we've all learned. First, Lucia chooses an event control. She'll be choosing when flag clicked. Then she's going to pick her control. The control she picks is forever. Now what motion will she pick? It's a mystery. Now the go-to moist piner. Let's see this. Wow, the plane follows her. It looks like it's flying. That's super cool. Now, thank you for watching the video. And an even bigger thank you to Lucia for learning how to use Scratch and controlling the mouse in the video. So now use what we've taught you and make an awesome Scratch project for yourself. The end! Okay, make sure to like and subscribe.